everyone, it's Sumi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the classic Indian dish Dum Aloo. This dish is usually made out of a yogurt sauce, but we're going to be showing you a version that's completely plant-based. So let's get cooking. You'll only need a handful of ingredients to make this delicious dish. Some baby potatoes, tomato puree, fresh grated coconut, a couple of bay leaves, full-fat coconut milk, kalonji or nigella seed, tamarind. You can use tamarind in this form or substitute with tamarind paste, turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder for that vibrant orange color, cumin powder, coriander powder, and some garam masala. We're going to start by boiling 12 to 15 baby potatoes in hot water until fork tender. We're boiling them with your skin on so that they don't fall apart and hold their shape. This should take around 18 to 22 minutes. Once a fork passes through a potato with ease, we're going to turn off our element, strain our potatoes and rinse them under cold running water and set them aside. We're going to soak a 2-inch diameter sphere of tamarind in 100 ml of hot water, and we're going to set this aside. In our mixer grinder, we're going to add 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. We're using frozen grated coconut that we've thawed, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of kalonji or nigella seeds. Kalonji is a crucial ingredient to this recipe because it's what gives it its unique flavor. And we're also going to add 1 cup of tomato puree. You want to make sure it's puree and not paste. And we're going to blend all of this until smooth. As you can see, some of the nigella seeds have not ground up completely, and that's perfectly normal. This is how we want our paste to look, and this element of our dish is ready. In a pot on medium-high heat, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We're using sunflower oil. You can use any flavorless oil of your choice. To this, we're going to add half more teaspoon of kalonji or nigella seeds. And we're going to add 3 to 4 bay leaves. And we're going to cook this for around 15 to 20 seconds. We're then going to add in the paste that we just made, along with half a cup of water. We added the half a cup of water to our grinder to make sure we get every bit of that paste into our gravy. We're then going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. This might look like a lot, but Kashmiri chili powder does not have much heat. It's mostly to just add the red-orange vibrant color to the gravy. And 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder. And we're going to give all of this a really good mix. We're then going to add the 100 ml of our strained tamarind water to get rid of all of the pulp. We're going to give this a mix once again and bring this mixture to a boil. Once the mixture has come to a boil, we're going to add 1 cup of full-fat coconut milk along with half a cup of water. Mix all of this really well. And then we're going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala and some salt to taste. Once the garam masala and salt have been incorporated, we're going to reduce the heat to low, cover the pot with a lid, and simmer this mixture. We're going to cook this until the oil begins to float at the top of the gravy, which is an indicator that it's completely cooked. This should take around 10 to 12 minutes. While our gravy is simmering away, we're going to prep our potatoes. We're going to first peel our boiled potatoes, coat them with some oil for air frying. We're just using 1 teaspoon of oil for 15 potatoes. And we're going to air fry these at 400 for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. If you don't have an air fryer, that's perfectly fine. You can just deep fry your potatoes and ideally double fry them so they end up looking like this. We're now going to transfer our potatoes onto a plate and pierce each potato 3 to 4 times with a fork. This is so that the gravy can seep through the potatoes while cooking and make them super flavorful. Our potatoes are prepped, and as you can see, the oil is floating on the top. Usually Dum Aloo has a lot more oil, but 2 tablespoons seems to work out just fine for us. So at this point, we're going to add in all of our potatoes and cook for 5 minutes on low heat. After 5 minutes here, we're adding half a teaspoon of jaggery, or you can use brown sugar, and this is to balance all of the flavors out. If you find that the gravy is still too tangy for you, you can add more sugar. Mix this well, and our Dum Aloo is ready. The blend of tamarind and tomato puree makes up for the tanginess that you usually get from yogurt, which is what is traditionally used in a Dum Aloo. Dum aloo is an incredible side dish and can be enjoyed with steamed rice, rotis, or both. You can also have it with any grain of your choice. Let me know if you've tried out this recipe in the comments below, and please like and subscribe for more such videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!